Today we're going to learn to add search engines to Chromium web browser and set our default search engine. The Chromium web browser is the open source browser that Google Chrome browser is built on. That's a very, very good browser. It's my default. Okay, so there'll be a link in the show notes to Wikipedia that has a ton of different search engines listed here. Okay, and then you can also see who the back-end owner is. There's not nearly as many back-end owners as there are, names for search engines. So, well, the one I'm going to add today is going to be the Brave search engine. That's what I don't have that added to my search engine settings in Chromium, so I'm going to add that one. It's supposed to be a very, very secure search engine. It doesn't track you or anything like that, at least according to them. All right, so I've got my Chromium configuration page up for my search engines, and as you can see, and there'll be a link to that in the show notes too. So if you have trouble finding it in your configuration, you can use that link to get to it. Google is currently my default search engine. I've also added Bing, and I've added Yahoo and DuckDuckGo and Yandex. So here's where you add that. So the best thing to do, what I've found, is just go to the search engine page. Okay, so I'm going to go to search.brave.com. Okay, so I'm at their search page. So just put in your search criteria. Just search for something, okay? Because we want to grab the URL for the search results. So I'm going to look up Linux distros. Linux distros. Oops. Having a hard time with the keyboard this morning. Distros. Okay, so Brave has brought up search results based on Linux distros. Is what I'm searching for. Okay, so now you'll see the search string that Brave set up for my search criteria, and you can see right here Q equal, which is my query or question, Linux plus distros, okay, and source equals web. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the string here, and then I'm going to go into my settings for my search engines in Chromium, and down here you'll see site search, and it has a little add button. So I'm going to add. I'm going to put in the name. I'm going to put in Brave, and then for the shortcut I'm going to put in search.brave. I told you I'm having a problem with my keyboard this morning. Or not my keyboard, but my fingers. searchbrave.com. Okay, yep, there I go again. All right, and then I'm going to paste in this string. There we go. And then right here where it says Q equals Linux plus distros, I am going to remove that. And I'm going to put %s, which is going to stand for, it's a placeholder for the string that I put in for search criteria. Okay, so I'm going to add that. You'll do that with all of them, whatever the query is, in this field, and you'll see it. It may be a little different depending on what search engine you're testing or using, but you'll replace that with %s. Okay, so I'm going to add that, and you'll notice that down here I've got Brave Search Engine now, and you can always go in and edit it later too. We'll leave Google as the default right now, so I'm going to go back in and do a search, right? Because Google's my default search engine right now, so I'll put in Linux games. I'll put in Linux games and hit enter, and then it's Google. As you can see, Google is my default search engine right now. So I'm going to go back into the settings here, and I'm going to scroll down to where I input my Brave search engine, and I'm going to click this 3 dots right here, and I'm going to say make that my default. And so now if you go up here and look, you'll see Brave is now my default search engine. So now if I go back, and I go back to the the address bar, and I enter in Linux games, and hit enter. Now Brave is my search engine that's returning my results. So now Brave is my default search engine. And anytime you want, you can go in and change that. You can go in, you can add as many search engines as you want, and then just click this button and you can select which one you will make your default. So let's say I want Bing to be my default. So now I'll make it my default. And I haven't even had to close out the browser and reload it, right? It's like instantaneous. So now if I go in and I put in Linux games, now Bing is my default search engine, and Bing is the search engine that is giving me my results. Okay, it's that easy, guys. So like here, if you wanted to add Bing, if you don't have Bing added right now and you wanted to add it, you would copy this string right here, right? And then right here where it says right before the and sign, just backspace over that Linux plus games and put in your %s, and then use that as your search engine string, you know, in the settings where you add it. Okay, so if we go in and look at my search string right now, you'll see it says bing.com search $Q equal %s. So whatever my search string is going to be, that's where you put that. Okay. All right, so as you can see, that works just fine. I'll go back in and I'll set Google as my default again. Go back in and then search again for Linux games. And there you have it. Google is now my default search engine. Again, it's that easy. It's not difficult. All right, so anyway, we learned something today. That's a wrap on this episode. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time in the Tinkerz Lab.